Good morning, guys. It's Valerie. Today is June 21st. Today's June 21st, and it is like 11 o'clock, 11:30. And we just went and got breakfast, and I didn't really vlog much of that because the place was really busy, and it was like it would be kind of hard to vlog. We're back at our hotel, and we're about to go swim and go to the beach again. And then I really don't know what else we're going to be doing today because we were supposed to go snorkeling today, but we kind of had to reschedule that because of like the weather, because we were going to go snorkeling in like Key Largo, and that's like, I guess like the ocean there is like too windy or something. So we're going to reschedule that for later this week. But we're just going to like go, there's like construction going on right now, so hopefully that's not too annoying. Okay, so it's a lot later now. Like, we haven't really done anything today except go to the beach and go to the pool. And it's like 5 o'clock and we're driving to Palm Beach. Well, we're in Palm Beach already, but we drove to Palm Beach. We're trying to get to somewhere to eat. Palm Beach is like a lot nicer than like Miami. Like Miami's more like city-ish, and Palm Beach is more like nice and clean and stuff. Alright, so we're on Worth Avenue right now, which is like the really like rich, like really nice stores, and it is so pretty. We're still trying to find somewhere to eat, but that might take a while. We're on Worth Avenue, and here it is behind me, and we're trying to find somewhere to eat still. So follow me. I'll do an outfit of the day. My shirt is from Francesca's. My shorts are from Target. My sunglasses are Urban Outfitters. My hat is Target. And my backpack is Repeat. We just ate dinner and I didn't film because it's like a really nice place. I didn't want to be like rude, but everything's falling out my backpack. So, oh my god. That's the restaurant we... What? Just minor malfunctions here. So anyway, that's the restaurant we just ate at. So yeah, that's the restaurant we just ate at, and now we're like looking around Palm Beach. So follow me. Palm Beach is so pretty. I don't know if we're actually gonna shop or buy anything. We're just gonna look around and see what kind of stores we can find. So, I apologize if my hat looks weird. I can't really see myself. But we're trying to walk to the beach right now. Which direction is the beach? That way?
I don't have.
I'll pull up a map. Made it to Palm Beach. Well, we've been in Palm Beach, but we made it to the actual beach. Here it is. So pretty. We're about to see if we can try and go out on those rocks, if you notice them. I don't really know how that's gonna work. My dad just has weird ideas, but we'll see if we can get there, guys. I'm getting really close to this lizard right now, and I'm kind of hyped about it. Lizard! It's about to... Oh, there it goes. That was a good try. Sorry I'm really close. I can't even... I'm wearing my camera thing. Oh, my mom thinks I'm talking to her. We made it out to these rocks. Actually, it wasn't that hard to get out here, but we're gonna try and take some cool pictures because, as you can see, we are like on these rocks. Hope I don't fall in because I will probably die, but... Okay, so, I'm gonna have to really yell, but like I said, we're on these rocks right now, and me and my dad Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for new videos for the rest of this week. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!